Channel, glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. I'm going to share them with you, and I'm going to show you how you can stand out by creating high value, low competition books. And I'm going to show you the resources that I personally use to create my books as well. We're going to talk about some ideas that I'm using for free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords discussed in today's video. Now, if you have yet not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I do apologize if there is any sort of background noise. Hopefully there is not. I do have a child who is ill at the moment, and it is a challenge, but I do try to get these daily videos out as much as I can to the best of my ability. So do bear and keep in mind with me. So first keyword for the day is Gratitude Journal for Women 2024. Gratitude Journal for Women 2024 has a keyword niche score of 45 and a total results of 588. We have the average bestseller rank of 300,936, and the average reviews are a whooping 3,397. Also, the price is $7.04 for the average price. We also have a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension, which gives us a keyword niche score of number 9 right at the bottom left corner right here. As you can see, green light ready to go, categorizing this as a great niche. Now, Amazon Scout Pro has a keyword niche score scale between 1 to 9, 9 being the highest, 1 being the lowest, and I'm really happy with the number 9 right here. Also, the analytics by Self-Publishing Titans confirm the keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro, so they complement each other very beautifully for this niche. Now, you can go ahead and create a gratitude journal for women, make it customizable for 2024, and that way you'd be able to insert a daily, weekly, or monthly calendar, or you can even make it like include a worksheet or two, or a sheet or two on the, like, for example, 2024 year at a glance. That would also be also relevant to the year that way. Another thing you could do is, if you want your book to sell all year round, you can use this keyword for all your gratitude journals. Just update the 7 keyword slots and insert this keyword to get your gratitude journals that you already have published ranking for this keyword. This is a great strategy that I personally use. Whenever I come across a keyword that is relevant for a specific year number, I go ahead and I upload or I update the 7 keyword slots list that I have for the gratitude journals as well. Another thing you could also do is make a gratitude journal for women, make it updated. Don't insert anything about 2024 yet. Have the keyword, the full keyword, the gratitude journal for women 2024 inserted in 7 keyword slots for your gratitude journal that you've just created. And that way, after 2024 ends, the book will still be selling all year round for every single year if it is a great book that is high quality, and you will not be limited to just selling during 2024. So don't use it in your 7 keyword, don't use it in your title or in your subtitle. Use it in your 7 keyword slots if you want the book to be selling even after 2024. So another thing that I also do is I go ahead to Creative Fabrica, which I have inserted a link for an all-access 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, linked in the description box below, as well as pinned in the comments section below this video. You can go ahead and check it out, and you just simply write in the search box gratitude journal. You can add 2024 as part of that. I just went ahead and wrote gratitude journal, and you've got the 2024 gratitude journal, 2024 here, 2024 here. A lot of results for the gratitude journal. What you can go ahead is pick up 1 or 2 templates, download them, and then compare against the worksheets in this template to the second template. Upload the templates to Canva as a PDF document, and that way you'd be able to edit the templates, make it unique, take out, insert elements that you feel resonate with your own creations, and then upload to Amazon KDP. That way would be a great strategy. Another strategy is if you do have if you do have Canva Pro, then go ahead and click on Gratitude Journal under the templates section, and you would be amazed at the number of great high quality templates, around 20,073 templates under Gratitude Journal. And I'm not saying go ahead and copy these because this is against the Canva policy, but you can get inspiration from these templates. You can use the layout, you can change the title, the font, the way things are set up. You can insert and add in specific elements, take out colors and so forth, yet just to get an inspiration of what kind of gratitude journal settings and templates you can go ahead and create. Now let's have a look at the second keyword for today's video, and it is adult coloring book same day delivery. Keyword niche score of 60, total results 723, bestseller rank is 53,886. The average reviews are 4,172, and the average price is $8.07. We do have a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro, which gives us a keyword niche score of number 6, categorizing this as a nice niche. What are we going to do here? Well, any sort of adult coloring book that you have right now, you can go ahead and update the 7 keyword slots and insert this keyword adult coloring book same day delivery in one of your 7 keyword slots, and that way your book would be ranking for this amazing strong keyword right over here as well. And there are a couple of books that are also independently published, as you can see, that are ranking under this keyword, and they have amazing bestseller ranks, such as this one, Mindfulness Coloring Book for Adults, selling for $6.99. Bestseller score is 272, and it is also sold by Amazon as well. This one sold by Amazon. The Relaxing Flowers as well, completely sold by Amazon and still ranking for this keyword. So this is what you can do right now. There are some keywords that I find to be profitable because of their analytics or indicate profitability, yet I don't want to go ahead and create a whole new adult coloring book same day delivery book and insert that in the title or subtitle. That's not the right way to go. Yet you can be smart about it and say, okay, how I found the keyword that's sustainable, that is profitable. How can I take advantage of that? Do I have any adult coloring books in my list of published books? Yes, I do. Go ahead and insert that as part of the 7 keyword slots and get your book ranking and take advantage of the traffic for this keyword. And the third and the final keyword for today's video is food delivery driver thank you stickers, and it has a keyword niche score of 32, yet all the other indications indicate that this is a profitable keyword, such as, for example, we've got the total results of 98. Preferably, I would prefer the total results to be 1,000 or less. The bestseller rank is also under 300,000, and it is sitting at an average of 111,355. The average reviews are 431, and we do have a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives this a keyword niche score of number 8, categorizing it as a nice niche. Remember, number 9 is the highest and the strongest. Number 8 is pretty good for this keyword, and it complements these analytics beautifully. So I'm going to go ahead and ignore the 32 given by Self-Publishing Titans and go ahead with my gut feeling, and also with backed up with this analytics data right here to prove the profitability. So there are a couple of things that you could do. For example, if you have a food delivery driver logbook, food delivery driver journal, and I know this is a keyword, it's one of the profitable keywords that I've discussed in the previous videos here on the channel. If you have any book that you've created that revolves around the food delivery niche, you can go ahead and update this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots and get your book ranking for this, because even though it's not thank you stickers book, it is about the food delivery driver niche. That way you'd get your book ranking, you'd reap the benefits. That's one strategy. Another strategy is to create a blank sticker book, and it is a thing. It is one of the most easiest products that you can create on Amazon KDP, which is a blank sticker book, and I've talked about it previously in the previous videos, step by step how to do a blank sticker book and upload it niche based. So go ahead and create a blank sticker book that is designed for food delivery drivers, and it's basically, you know, a place where they can, you know, insert their stickers, their thank you stickers, or maybe, you know, have any sort of like you know, addition to that that way. So usually a blank sticker book is for people to insert their stickers that they've received, or to maybe like stick their stickers as well. There's a lot of different ways that it can be used, and this could also be a wonderful niche that you can approach. I wouldn't invest too much energy and time into this niche, yet I would still feel at a loss if I were to just brush off this niche and say I'm not going to do anything about it, just because I'm not really familiar with it. And that's where the effort is needed to have to learn about different niches and different types of books comes in. And trust me, the rewards will be reaped sooner rather than later if that's what you're going to do. So we've talked about the 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for today's video, such as the first keyword was Gratitude Journal for Women 2024, keyword niche score of 45. Second is adult coloring book same day delivery, keyword niche score of 60. And finally, we have food delivery driver thank you stickers, which has a keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro of number 8. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.